Two platforms. One mission, helping creators sell online. But which one really delivers? On the left, Etsy, the global marketplace for handmade, vintage, and digital goods. And on the right, Gumroad, the direct platform empowering indie digital creators. Let's skip the buzzwords and look at what really matters. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll see exactly which platform wins out. The winner may surprise you. Let's get a quick lay of the land, shall we? Here's our mind map. These are all the categories we're going to stack these two platforms against. Audience and discoverability, pricing and fees, product types, store design and branding, global reach and payouts, platform flexibility, and who they're honestly best for. Ready? Okay, let's jump into the first comparison. First up, audience and discoverability. Etsy, honestly, is a beast here. Imagine having millions of shoppers walking through a virtual craft fair every day. You list something, and boom, people can actually find it because Etsy's got built-in SEO. Of course, the flip side is, you're up against a ton of competition. But hey, at least people are looking. Now, Gumroad, it's basically you setting up your own little digital shop in the middle of the desert. So, if you've got a loyal fan base, great. If not, you kind of have to bring your own crowd. Winner here? Yeah, it's pretty much Etsy, hands down. All right, let's talk about something everyone cares about. Pricing and fees. With Etsy, you don't pay monthly to list, but those transaction fees do sneak up on you, about 6.5% per sale, plus a little listing fee. If you're selling a lot, it adds up fast. Gumroad makes it way simpler, just a flat 10% cut, and no monthly fee if you stick with the basic plan. Here's a minor headache though. As of 2025, Gumroad handles payouts only by bank transfer, so if you were hoping for PayPal, nope. Still, for most people, Gumroad is cheaper and easier to keep track of. Winner in this category? Gumroad takes it. Let's jump into product types. Etsy gives you options galore. You can sell handmade stuff, vintage goodies, craft supplies, digital downloads. Pretty much the works. There are a few rules about digital stuff, but nothing too wild. Gumroad, though, is built for digital products. Ebooks, membership subscriptions, video courses, you name it. If you're thinking physical products, yeah, Gumroad isn't the first choice. But for digital creators, pretty slick. Honestly, both have their strengths here. I'm calling this round a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Etsy users search for digital downloads over 50,000 times every single day? Meanwhile, Gumroad has paid out over $400 million to creators as of 2025. That's kind of wild, right? Next up, store design and branding. Etsy is kind of like renting a booth at someone else's market. They give you some templates and you can jazz up your listings, but major limitations on making your shop really feel like yours. Gumroad, on the other hand, lets you embed your products right on your own website. Pretty awesome if you've already got a brand built up. But don't expect crazy visual customization even there. Storefronts are super basic. Between the two, Gumroad gives you a bit more freedom, so it wins here. Now, global reach and payouts. Etsy's been doing this forever. They're pretty much everywhere and do payouts with direct deposit or PayPal. Super flexible. Gumroad also handles international payments, but yeah, as of 2025, it's bank transfer only, and their reach isn't as massive. If you want to sell worldwide with a bunch of payout choices, Etsy is the way to go. Winners, Etsy. Let's talk platform flexibility. With Etsy, you kind of have to play by their rules. SEO, marketplace vibes, not a ton of options to tweak your checkout or branding. Gumroad, though, you can set prices, offer pay what you want, memberships, even toss your products onto your own site. Advanced design? Not really, but it's way more flexible overall. Gumroad wins this one. Time for Best 4. If you're a crafter making physical goods or want instant exposure to shoppers, even if you dabble in digital, Etsy's perfect for you. Artists and indie sellers, especially those with a small following, love it for the built-in traffic. Gumroad, meanwhile, is an indie digital creator's dream. It's super easy for authors, artists, and anyone selling downloads. Both platforms shine for their audiences, so yeah, tie here. So if we step back and look at the big picture, the radar chart basically shows Etsy crushing it for audience and reach, but Gumroad winning for fees, flexibility, and branding control. They both shine for certain product types and audiences. Bottom line, Etsy is your go-to if you want easy access to buyers and you're selling anything from crafts to digital art. Gumroad's better if you want to control your branding and you know how to promote your own stuff, especially digital goods. It's really about what fits your style and where your audience hangs out. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.